Customer-centric retailing is all about putting the shopper at the center of decision-making. It's understanding the shopper's behavior, understanding how it impacts your business from both a strategic as well as a tactical perspective in terms of day-to-day category management decisions. We call customer-centric retailing CCR. CCR is essential for retailers to drive future growth. Without really understanding what's driving the shopper behavior, without really understanding how their actual purchase decisions are impacting your strategy and your tactics, you're leaving money on the table. So you may see that your sales are rising, but if you actually look at it, you could be hemorrhaging your price-sensitive shoppers. That's a problem. Customer-centric retailing helps you to address that. The best practitioners of customer-centric retailing not only understand the strategic view of their shopper, but they also understand what's happening with the shopper as it relates to increasing engagement, driving loyalty. They incorporate shopper data just as a natural part of what they do when they're making decisions like what promotions work best. How do I make sure I have a customer-aware assortment? Cindy is about speed to insights and speed to action. Uses explainable AI and machine learning to uncover opportunities to really help retailers make faster and better decisions. My favorite story of a client using Cindy is when they look at Cindy and they say, wow, Cindy just told me something in a click of a button, something that would have taken me 5 days to figure out with analysis. That is the power of Cindy. Most retailers, category managers will spend Monday morning looking at tons of reports to figure out what's going on. Cindy makes that much faster. It's all about speed to insights because Cindy tells them exactly where their opportunities are and exactly why they had problems and what to do about it. It's really difficult to become a truly customer-centric organization where your category managers make data-driven, customer-centric decisions. So our insight consultants work with our clients. They work with them to really help them to understand the power of the insights, to understand how the insights will drive measurable value for their business. That's what insights to action to value is all about. The optimal strategy for sharing data with CPGs is really quite simple. It's about accountability. It's about holding your CPG partners accountable for making decisions with the shopper at the center. It's also about collaboration and making sure that everyone has that same view of what's happening with the shopper, that everyone really understands not just sales, margin, and units, but they understand what's happening, particularly with your loyal households. We pride ourselves on innovation. Cindy is the perfect example of that. However, we're not going to sit back. We continue to talk with our clients every day, understand their problems, and how explainable AI can really help them make faster, better decisions. We have an entire roadmap of continued functionality just towards that really specific goal.